Alright, so I got the Olight X9R Marauder in. Oh, let's see if you can see that. Yeah. It comes in a big, almost like pelican case type of case. It's got with some safety latches here. You can't just pull them open. You got to press the inside and pull them open. But anyway, like I said, I got this used. And everything is in excellent condition. You know, it comes with the wall charger, the cord for the wall charger, comes with a car charger with another Olight emblem on there, and then it comes with your pretty heavy duty strap that let me get that open, has Olight etched onto it or stitched into it. And of course I already opened it up, but here is the flashlight, and this thing is massive. I did a little test on it last night, and I mean, this thing is just, it's just crazy bright.